Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to diagnose this car, which is the Lexus ES350 model 2008. Actually, first of all, I'll diagnose the steering angle of it. Okay, we will make it correct in the specific angle design, and also after that we will diagnose the car, the whole modules. Actually, it has 28 modules. As I said, it's ES350 North America, model 2008. It has 272 horsepower. Radar cruise, it's radar cruise. Actually, you will see the sign of the radar on the steering wheel, so it's the way that you can know it's a radar cruise or it's other. So in this specific type, it's a radar cruise. Click on it, and actually it will open the new page. Right now you will see it, diagnosis or the hot functions. We will press on the hot functions, and in here you will see different types, like oil reset. You can do the oil reset, tire pressure, BMS, SAS that we want to do it, injectors, AC, and different types, actually different types of the functions of the car. So in here we want to do the SAS, steering angle sensor. Okay, as you see, it has different yeah, first of all we have to make it straight steering. It has 4 or 5 steps that you want to do. Number one, which I did. The second one, I have to drive the car at 20 kilometer for 100 meter, and also we should run the engine on the P or N, which is the car is on the P, and front wheel straight forward position, which is it. Okay, we have to close the indicator, and also we have to press the AFS switch. Actually, the AFS switch is located under the dashboard. We have to press it 8 times and wait for the 2 seconds. Okay, I have to do that one, and then we have to turn the steering wheel to the left and then to the right. Then we have to do it again as per as which is road. But actually the AFS it's showing I did not found it. Okay, below the dashboard. Let's check it again. Or maybe it's located on the front console. But let's do something. I will press on again hot functions. Okay, it's a common the Lexus, it's located below the dashboard, but in this car I couldn't find it, even it was not in the console. So again, it's North America. Now I press on the others. Actually it has a radar cruise. Let's press on the others, and let's see if it show again same details. It's not related to it, but actually right now, because there is no AFS switch, so it's the only way to do it. But all the Lexus it has that button. I don't know why I could not find it, even before to see the video, before to start to take a record the video. I saw in the dashboard, I checked, and I did not see, but I thought it will show another steps to do to follow, but unfortunately it shows the AFS button. Again for the second time, let's check the AFS. Again same, yeah, again it's showing AFS. Okay, I have to check it. I have to place all the, I have to follow all the details. Now the car again, it's in the P. Turn the steering wheel to the left or right to the end, then press the AFS off switch twice. The indicator lamp lights up for about 2 seconds and then flash again. Then the AFS off also. Indicator lamp flashes again. Turn the steering wheel to the other direction. Now I'm driving the car and I hope it will work. But actually this time it in this car, okay, it's gives a sound. It's not showing okay. It's actually, I don't know why right now it's pressed when I drove the car. Okay, but again let's do it. Yeah, when I drove the car to the 20 kilometer per hour for 100 meter, it's gives me a sound like a tick sound, but it's not show me in the computer. But I will see the sign if it goes or not in the dashboard cluster. I followed all the steps, okay, and just I parked the car. It's in the P. Now let's check. Okay, I get the sound also, tick sound. Yeah, I did everything. Okay, I go back. Now I have to diagnose the car. Let's go to the system again, exit, and again press on the Lexus. Manual selection. Even before I record the video, it did not work with the automatic selection. That's why I'm using manual selection, but for sure in the automatic everything will be much more faster. 2008, it's a radar cruise, all the detail is correct. Now let's wait. It will show the different the different selection of the diagnosis, heart functions, and control units. But I think, yeah, vehicle profile. So we press on the diagnosis, auto scan, engine. It has 3 fault, ABS 1 fault. Actually this car it has 28 modules only. But by the way, it's model 2008 and it has 28 modules, so it's because it's a Lexus. The other cars, like as an example, Toyota Camry 2008, it doesn't have this much module. So let's find out. Okay, it's for the engine. Let's see, it's for what? Trouble codes and evaporator emission. Okay, P0441. Let's go back again. Some in the Lexus, okay, it will show this much of errors, but it's better to make a quick erase and check again. Check the trouble codes. Communication interruption. Okay, so I have to tell to the owner also. He has much problems. But let's refresh the system and see which faults will remain. Yeah, check engines gone, but again for the steering, it's remain. It's showing the low pressure fluid also. Let's find out. Actually, this process for all cars are common. Now it's showing the air conditioner. I think it's related to the solenoid. Yeah, passenger solar sensor circuits and drive solar sensor circuits. Okay, I have to tell to the owner. I think it needs programming also. The way that I diagnose this car, it's a common to check for all other cars. For the oil reset also, you press on the oil reset, then manual oil reset, and do the steps by steps, and the oil reset will happen actually. Okay, these systems, it's a common between all the vehicles. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video.